Hey folks, welcome to another how-to Casio video. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to calculate lowest common multiple between two numbers. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's say we want to find the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8. Now the old-fashioned way of doing this would be is you would write down all the multiples of 6. So you'd go 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. And you'd repeat that for 8 as well. So you'd go 16, 24, 32, and so on. Now, once you write your multiples, what you do is you go around and have a look at what the lowest common multiple is. In this case, it's 24. Now to do this in the calculator, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the main menu, go into calculate, and we're going to click on the catalog button and go down to numeric calc. We're going to click on numeric calc. We're going to go into LCM, which is the lowest common multiple, and we want it between 6 and 8. So we're going to click on 6. Now we need to put a little comma sign, and this comma sign is above this bracket. So we're going to go shift and the right bracket, which is going to give a comma, and then we're going to put 8. And once again, I don't think you need to close the brackets. Let's try without closing the brackets. Yes, there you go. It actually works out the answer as 24. All right, so let's try one more example. In this one, I'm going to try between 6 and 13. And of course, I'm not going to sit here writing all those multiples down. So let's just try this out again. So we're going to go into catalog, go into numeric calculation mode, and then we've got LCM. We've got 6, shift bracket, that gives you the comma, 13, and we're going to get 78 as the lowest common multiple between 6 and 13. Now what we can say is LCM of 6 and 13 is actually equal to 78. There we go folks, so that's just a quick little video on how to find LCM between two numbers.